Good day, everyone. Now is 3:07 p.m. Eastern Time, and today is the 15th of November, and this is the CFTC requirement. So let's start with today's. We have the NASDAQ, or we can start with the ES today. On the ES, we hit 42 ticks. Let me see. The entry was, remember guys, this is a swing trading. We had an entry today at 2164.25, and then it hit right on the target, and it is 42 ticks, and it hit right to the target at 2175. On the 6E, it's been really unstable because after the election, the dollar has been really a lot of volatility in the whole market. And then we have the EMD hit 70 ticks. And let's look at the EMD. We had the entry today at 1585.71. And the target still is at 1596, but once this market hit that area here, the zone, that's mean, your chances getting to the target is no longer, is getting weaker, and especially right now it's 3:08 p.m. So this is a very nice wild run the whole day, and this is where it gives you a red signal that you need to be careful, not anymore long trading, and maybe it's time to take your profit. Let's look at the DAX. The DAX is 48 ticks and is hit the target right on the spot. No, I'm sorry, this is the mini DAX. Let me get this one out of the way. On the DAX today, we had 107.19.5, and the target was 107.51. And you can see how the DAX hit the target and got rejected exactly to our zone. And those zones cost $35 a month, but they are really, really working. And this is a 1 minute. And you can see how the zone got rejected from those one. I don't have the gold. Let's cover the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, we had an entry today at 4752.50, and then we got the target at 4778.25, and it's right on the target with a little one tick above that, but this is a beautiful trade, and that one is 74 ticks. Let's go on the YM. The YM, it is also, we had an entry today at 187.92, barely touched the target at 188.65. This is not bad at all. And then we have the 30-year Treasury bond. The 30-year Treasury bond, okay, there is a short trade right now on the 30-year Treasury bond, and this one coming from your auto trade. And we can see where is the entry, and the target is right in within a line 154. So we can take this one here and maybe take both of them here because of the timing. And then let's go ahead and look at the mini auto trade, the mini DAX. And if we are looking at the DAX, the auto trade took one trade, and this one here based on one trade, and it is 161. Now is 145, because what we have the auto trade based on the closing bar, not on the by the tick. So that will be give a little bit more. I moved the target to see if we will have a runner, but we didn't, and the target was at 107.53, and after hit the target, we had a couple ticks above the 107.53, but then the trailing stop, in a way, those are calculated, and you can see the trailing stop is, in a way, they're not your fib lines, but they are a major support, and they do the calculation based on the market price action, where even if you miss a trade on any, whether it's a CLES, you can take that trade on a re-entry, which is the most success um, trading strategy ever, and I've been using it for so many years. That identify your trend uh, and pull back re-entry. This is a very simple strategy, but as long as you can identify your trend and a pullback re-entry, it doesn't matter which market you are using. And if you are using 1 minute in conjunction with 3 minutes and 15 minutes, you will have a pretty good idea how is this market running. So if we notice right now, it's not, those videos are for education only, and we will be updating. This is a Ninja Trader 8, and I'm so glad we got the final version came in a couple days ago, and then we will be updating that version to the final version on a Ninja Trader 8, and then we can notify all our customers because we have also a lot of indicators, a lot of systems in new systems in Ninja Trader 8 we have not even showed, because those NT8s, when we were under a beta version, we had developed so many different systems, but every time we upgraded to the beta version, some of the stuff was working, some of them there were not. But now we got the Ninja Trader 8 final version, so we're gonna go on a full speed, and to our traders we will be holding webinar. The webinar we are holding on Tuesday is for guests, so it's not only for members. So we will have 1 day a week for the guests, and we will be talking about the new upgrade on Ninja Trader 8. God bless everyone, and we will be making come and visit our website and register for whatever next time we have webinar. God bless you all. See you.